Guys, crappy phone video, sorry about that, but I just stopped in for lunch and had a couple minutes before I start working on some fence, so I wanted to mess around with this thing a little more. So I straightened the cable out. Now you'll recall, well, maybe you won't recall because I didn't put together that video yesterday, but I was having trouble with this ribbon cable. I think it was the ribbon cable. When I spread this fold out, it would start working. And when I mashed it down like it has to be when the card's in slot 3 and fully seated, it became very unstable. So just for shits and giggles here, before I eat lunch, I decided to flatten that cable out, so I'm going to put it in slot 2, and it's working fine. Uh, so I don't know. I mean, maybe that edge connector's worn out. This particular motherboard does have the loosest edge connectors of all. One, two, three, four, five Apple II motherboards that I've got. So, maybe that has something to do with it. If the self-test is running continuously, so I'm just going to let it run the rest of the day while I'm out working and see what happens when we get back, and then I'll try it in slot 3 again. Although, you know, if it's going to work in slot 2, that would be preferable because that'll leave room for the phaser in slot 4. And I don't think I have to disable the serial port on slot 2. I think the transwarp probably doesn't use the actual slot functionality. It just uses the CPU direct part of the bus, the address data bus, maybe a few of the control lines or something. Probably doesn't use any of the slot decoding, would be my guess. Maybe, I don't know. Anyhow, seems to be working in slot 2, so I guess we'll see what's going on when I get back this evening.